Introduction to docstrings. A docstring in Python is a string literal specified in the source code used as a comment. Unlike conventional comments, docstrings are retained throughout the runtime of the program. Docstrings can be inspected at runtime, for instance, as an interactive help message. Why use docstrings? Docstrings associate the documentation of your function, method, class, or module within the code itself. They make the code easier to understand and maintain. Docstrings provide a convenient way to use Python's built-in help function. How to write a docstring. A docstring is written as the first statement following the definition of a function, method, class, or module. The syntax for writing a docstring is simple. You just need to write a string literal right after the definition. Example, in the function add numbers, the string literal written inside triple quotes is the docstring. Accessing docstrings. Python provides several ways to access these docstrings for use in your programs. One common way to access a docstring is by using the doc attribute of the object. Example, print add numbers doc will output this function adds 2 numbers and returns the result. Different types of docstrings. There are 2 types of docstrings. One-line docstrings and multi-line docstrings. One-line docstrings are for really obvious cases. They should be used when the function, method, class, or module is easy to explain in one sentence. Multi-line docstrings are used when the explanation requires more detail. They are also useful for explaining the parameters of the function and the type of the return value. Tips and common mistakes. Always write a docstring for your functions, methods, classes, and modules. Keep your docstrings concise. If you need more than a few lines to describe what the function does, you should probably break it down into smaller functions. Don't put your docstring after the return statement in a function or method. It will never be executed, and therefore it won't be accessible. Conclusion. Docstrings are an important part of writing clear and maintainable code. They help other developers understand what your code is supposed to do and how it should be used. Even if you are working alone, docstrings will save you a lot of time when you return to your code after a while.